Here we are at Banner Marsh, blind 19, November 3rd, 2017, with the Z-Man. Got the trusty Remington 1100 that I've had since high school. I bought that with my detanceling money, sophomore year, 1972. And I'm in here in one of the nice blinds here at Banner. I really haven't seen too much. I had a few tasty pelicans fly over. Some decoys out here. Otherwise it's slow. It's a little chillier than I thought it would be. But yeah, I got a nice blind here. Walk out here. Oh, there's some ducks right there, sir. Yeah, these little feather flex decoys didn't have any anchors on them, so I had to make do with some sticks. But anyway, when it mattered, there ain't nothing working here. But it's nice just to get out. Over and out. Z-Man.